What's up, y'all? So today I'm gonna be doing something a little different. I'm gonna be showing you how to do a quick 10-15 minute workout straight from home. One of the things that I'm big on is health and fitness, especially for fathers, especially for men. And so I just wanna walk you through a little workout that I do. Hope y'all enjoy this. Little piece of new content that I'm trying out. Just see what it does. Little bonus, I'm gonna show y'all that I could kip. Whoo! Let's go! 2 dumbbells, a medicine ball, and just my living room. Very simple. This is not a plug for Apple Watch. I genuinely work out with this because it helps me track my heart rate and lets me know what zone I'm in. And that's very important when you're doing HIIT exercises. This is just a warm up, get the blood flowing. This is gonna be my circuit. I'm gonna do 10 push-ups. I'm gonna do 10 curls. And I'm gonna do 10 shoulder presses on the medicine ball. That'll be my first circuit. All right, let's get it. And the idea is to do this as quickly as you can. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 20 might be a little too heavy for me for HIIT exercises, but I'll try. And I might do hammers too. 3, 4, 5. All right. And then I'm going to do 3 circuits of these. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So that's 1 circuit. 1 down, 2 to go. So I usually take a little 30-second break in between circuits. I'm at about 136 heart rate right now. Just that right there. The warm up and what I did burned 35 calories, 4 minutes. So very, very impactful. All right, let's get it. No more talking. Shoulders not a joke, boy. Woo! I don't know if I'm gonna get through the third set with them shoulders. See, it's not just the shoulders. With that, the workouts that I'm doing with the push-ups, they're also working my shoulders out, and because I'm not taking a break, shoulders don't have the time to rest. So by the time you get to that shoulder press, whoo! Let's get it. We're at 6 minutes, 6.5 minutes. And this is a decent little workout for 10 minutes. Let's get it. The key is you don't get any rest in between the workouts. That's it. Let's go. Bad form towards the end. It's all good. Shitty workout, better than no workout. Woo! I'm not looking forward to these. Let's go. Whew. 5. All right. It's cool to take a little break. Ooh, that burns. It's all good. One at a time, baby. One at a time. 6, 7, 8. One more. Whew. Get through them. One more. There we go. All right. So made it through those 3 sets. We're at about 9 minutes and 11 seconds. So that's a quick little, about 10-minute workout. Not too bad. If you're looking for a quick workout that kind of packs a punch, it doesn't need to be complex. It could just be 2 or 3 different workouts in a circuit. Hit them as fast as you can. Probably not gonna be able to do as much weight because you're non-stop and it's about endurance. That's why I'm breathing a little harder. You know, my heart rate was up to like 150, but just in those 9 minutes, I burned about 100 calories. I got a decent little workout in. I'm feeling pumped, you know, I got a little pump. So I have the Fatherflex shorts on right now, Fatherflex gear. This is fitness gear designed specifically for fathers. This is a company that I own. We make fitness gear that's for fathers that want to be healthy for their families. So this is going to be part of the content moving forward. If y'all like this content, let me know. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more workout videos, for more social commentary, for more parenting, marriage, lifestyle content. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't miss out on anything. Follow me on social media as well. Information's in the description. I'll see y'all next time.